Have interest, consistency is necessary. You have to practice before proper time. When you are hurry burry, you will tell the answers. You will tell, but they will not last long in your mind. They will disappear. When you practice those words for a long time, two purposes will be served. One purpose, what is that one purpose? That one purpose is answering the questions at the time and remembering the answers forever. One more thing also will happen. You can utilize that knowledge in your real life. That is a must. You should remember. Next today, spell bee. Students, this spell bee is very important for the children. Why? Because there is a written test there in all classes. Unfortunately, there is no viva. Only in classes, for making you to understand, we ask you to give oral answers. There in the class, sometimes we ask you oral answers. Whereas, we always prefer written answers. Our examination system is like that. When you can show your knowledge, when you know the spellings, therefore learn the spellings. At the same time, keep your handwriting neat. Generally, we encourage you to learn calligraphy. If you want to conduct something, some seminar for you, we should be having some kind of special feeling, happy feeling that, okay, when we are doing something, there is proper result. There was one meeting, in that meeting I was telling the people, don't very easily, I tried my level best. This problem, suppose you think something is difficult, that is difficult for everybody. Spellings, difficult for not only as it is not our mother tongue. Spellings are difficult even for foreigners whose mother tongue is English. They also have this kind of a problem. In order to overcome, you have some methods. Learning phonetics, there is phonetic script. Morphemes, phonemes, you learn, and how you pronounce, you just write the spellings. Here also you cannot learn well. Why? Because some letters are silent. For example, calm. What is spelling of calm? C-A-L-M. L is silent. For example, bouquet. At last T comes. The T is silent. Like that you see there are thousands of words, not one or two. Thousands of words which have silent letters. For example, psychology. So P-S-Y you write, but P is silent. Tsunami, T-S you write, but T is silent. How to learn? You may get confusion. For what? So I have come to one conclusion. So writing the words, however they are writing the words many times is important, and expressing the spellings like spell bee. If you learn gradually you can. Okay. Therefore, your benevolent madams are very much interested to conduct these kind of spell bee. Whatever they conduct, what I find at the nick of the moment, you show much interest. You asked me in my class, sir, give 10 minutes, 15 minutes time for preparations.